Let's now take a look at some of the ways that 21st century learning and visual arts and media learning are accomplishing the same things. In the following slides, the 21st century learning skills will be stated at the top, and the related art and media concepts will be listed below. Learning in visual arts and medias always begin with a concept, a big idea that the students are expected to think about and respond to in our classes. Developing a response to the idea is always a part of what we do, and oftentimes it happens at different points in the unit. Initial responses, as well as after the students have had exposure to what we are studying. Some examples include contemplating the relationships between different ways of thinking and using the environment to create meaning. We engage in the use of brainstorming, metaphors, applying what we have learned to the current situation, and more. After we have some ideas of how to proceed, the next step is to develop a plan for how we will accomplish it. We can identify what we know and what we need to learn in order to reach our goals. Collaboration comes in many forms. In filmmaking, there will always be different jobs that students need to do to complete a project, and the experience of working together will apply to many situations. In the visual arts and media, students will need to respond to their classmates' work and provide feedback that helps their classmates. Art and media teachers are not only familiar with the movements of history of different genres, they are familiar with the cultural contexts that produce these evolutions. For example, the history of science is very closely tied to the history of art and film and philosophy. Interpretation and evaluation of work is also very important to our discipline. There is a wide range of approaches, and we have developed methods and scaffolds for helping the students to create meaning and judgment with evidence.